Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from CoinEx to Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is open the CoinEx app and go to the Assets option at the bottom right corner. Here, you will see your available balance. To transfer USDT, tap on the Withdraw button. By default, another token like CET, CoinEx token, might be selected, so you'll need to tap on it to open the list of cryptocurrencies. From the list, search for USDT using the search bar and then select it. Next, you need to choose the withdrawal method, so select the option for withdrawal. After that, tap on the network option and carefully select the network you want to use. It is very important to choose the same network that you will use in Binance, otherwise, your funds may not arrive. Once you select the correct network, confirm your choice. Now open the Binance app. Here, tap on Assets tab at the bottom right. Then tap on Add Funds option and select on Chain Deposit. Here, search for USDT and then choose the same network that you selected in CoinEx. Binance will now generate your wallet address. Copy this address by tapping on the copy icon. Now go back to the CoinEx app and paste the wallet address into the address field. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Once everything is correct, tap on the Withdraw Now button. After confirming the transaction, your USDT will be sent from CoinEx to Binance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from CoinEx to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.